Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Colorado without a lawyer. First, confirm if your divorce is uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms. This simplifies the process significantly. Next, gather all essential documents, including financial statements and personal identification. Finally, ensure you meet Colorado's residency rules, which typically require one spouse to live in the state for at least 91 days. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth filing. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to complete the petition for dissolution of marriage, also known as JDF 1101. This is the primary document that initiates the divorce. Fill it out carefully, providing all requested information about your marriage and children, if any. After completion, file these forms with the district court in the county where you or your spouse resides. Remember to pay the filing fees, which are typically $230, or apply for a waiver if you meet the financial criteria. After filing, you must legally serve your spouse with the divorce papers and a summons. This ensures they are officially notified of the proceedings. There are specific rules for service, so follow them carefully. Your spouse then has a set period, usually 21 days if served in Colorado, to respond to the petition. Be prepared to attend court hearings or mediation if required, especially if there are unresolved issues regarding children or property division. The final stage involves submitting your separation agreement, which outlines all agreed-upon terms for property, debts, and children. The court will review this agreement to ensure it's fair and in the best interest of any children. Once approved, you'll attend a final hearing where the judge will issue your decree of dissolution of marriage, officially ending your marriage. For more helpful tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.